Hello, and welcome back to Parawa. We are now entering March. Snow will soon leave our little hill, taking the last of winter's cold, well, until the chilling winds of spring. So here's one of my more calm winter mornings a while back. My dad loves oatcakes, and so I tried making them myself. Afterwards, I started working on a newspaper article for school. I was having a lot of trouble writing it, and so I just decided to put it off for a while. I actually ended up changing the topic and spent about 45 minutes sitting in a tree at the evening just coming up with the script, and it worked. So sometimes you have to change up your surroundings. The oatcakes came out, and they were a little dry, but my dad said that they were really good. I don't know if I believe him. Then I read a bit of the book I was reading and got ready to go outside. I recently got this basket at a thrift store to be my trash can, and maybe it's not the best because the little woven fibers catch on the plastic, but I really like the way it looks anyway. I tried something new and attached 2 belts to the handles of the basket to make a backpack, and it worked. There was a lot of snow outside, but the sun was bright and warm. Well, as warm as it can be in the winter. I'll wait for the introduction. So I left my tripod up at the house because it's just kind of a pain to carry around everywhere. So I will be collecting firewood, as you can see. Just shoveled the driveway for a while. Look at my shadow. And there's the basket I'll be using to collect firewood. So you get to come with me. Let's see if it works. Yeah! Let's go! This is an evergreen, but I should bring it up anyway. It was so beautiful out here in the snow. I had filmed an entire video about going out before the sunrise and doing some crochet and drinking tea and watching the sunrise and filming it on camera. But unfortunately, I accidentally deleted all of the footage because I thought I had already downloaded it. So, that happened. But it was a nice experience anyway. I just really wish that I could have still shown it to you guys because I was actually pretty proud at all of the all the different videos I got in that moment. Let's go. Think it's stylish? Oh. So I'm probably going to, here's the arch, find a lot of oak down here because that is a big oak tree. Got a clean little seat for you. That's all I'm going to collect for now. From here. Moving on. There's some right there. Oh. Let me just put you down. I'm going to add some cocoa to my barley and rye drink. Look at that, more oak and branches. So after a while, with a huge basket of sticks, I went back inside and tried one of the oatcakes. The honey looked just so beautiful on it, and it tasted really good too. Then I decided to make some carrot chips. Now the last couple times I did this, they did not turn out well. And unfortunately that's the same for this time, because I made them a little too thick, and so they burned because I cooked them for too long. But then my mom helped out, and they turned out really well. Looks like French fries.
It's supposed to. Keep frying them either.
Okay.
Spread out as much as you can.
That is all for today's little video. We hope to see you in the next one, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now from Farwa.